In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an AI or EPS file inside Figma without having Adobe Illustrator. This is especially handy if you're collaborating with designers and need to work with vector files directly in Figma, bypassing the usual requirement of Adobe Illustrator. Let's dive in step by step to guide you through the entire process. First, you need to make sure you're on Figma, the collaborative interface design tool where all the magic happens. Start by heading over to the Figma website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to click on the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the web page. Enter your login credentials and you should be taken to your Figma homepage once you're in. Now that you're logged in and at the homepage, look for the Design section. In Figma, your design workspace is where you manage and organize your files, so clicking on Design will take you to the main hub of your design projects. Once you're there, you should see the option to click on Action. This is where you'll perform the tasks necessary to open the AI or EPS files without needing Adobe Illustrator. Clicking on Action helps you begin this process smoothly. In the search bar that appears next, type Convert AI. What we're doing here is searching for a plugin that will facilitate the conversion of AI and EPS files into a format easily usable within Figma. Figma supports a variety of plugins that allow for seamless integration of external file types, and this is one of their fantastic features. When Convert AI appears in the search options, you want to select Convert Monkey. This particular plugin is designed specifically for this purpose, offering an intuitive way to convert and work with your vector files directly in Figma. Finally, after selecting Convert Monkey, look for the Run option. Clicking on Run will start the conversion process. The plugin will handle the heavy lifting of converting the AI or EPS file so you can begin editing and collaborating within the Figma environment. And there you have it. You've opened an AI or EPS file in Figma without the need for Adobe Illustrator. This method is not only efficient but also seamlessly integrates your vector work into Figma's collaborative setup. Keep this guide handy for those times when Illustrator isn't an option, and enjoy the ease of using Figma for your design needs. Thank you for watching and happy designing!